Another Christmas business idea using inJoy product. Hi inJoypreneurs! For this video, we will make this creamy sweet corn pandan jelly dessert. Another quick and delicious recipe idea na magugustuhan ng lahat. For this recipe, we will cook our pandan flavored gulaman into 800 ml of water. Just mix and wait for it to boil. Sobrang bilis lang nito i-prepare and ang dami niya ding flavors na pwedeng pagpilian using inJoy flavored gulaman. Now make sure to turn off the heat and add in 200 ml of evaporated milk. After mixing, you may add sugar to your liking. Now we can add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of kernel corn into your molder. Finally, we can pour our prepared pandan gulaman. Just wait for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour for the mixture to set. That's it! Ang dali lang, di ba? Try nyo na rin and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching! Bye!